What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera freezing and crashing issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and open camera, and then scroll down and click on storage. Now from here, clear the cache memory and data of camera app. So from here, tap on delete to clear the app data, and after that your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then check for your storage. So for that, open settings, scroll down, and here click on device care, and then click on storage. Now if your storage is running out, then delete some extra files. You can also empty your recycle bin to free up some space. So if your storage is too high, it can affect the camera app. So free up some space to use the camera app frequently. Now after freeing up some space, if you are still facing the same freezing and crashing issue, then the next solution is put unused apps to sleep. So if a lot of apps are running in the background, then it can affect the camera app. So for that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on battery. Now click on background usage limits, and from here turn on put unused apps to sleep button. And after turning on this button, your camera freezing and crashing issue will be fixed. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is try updating your mobile software. So updating your mobile software will fix small glitches, which includes camera glitches. So to update the mobile software, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, and here click on software update. Now click on download and install, and from here update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software to latest version, it will definitely fix your camera freezing and crashing issue. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the same freezing and crashing issue, then the last solution is factory reset your phone. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on factory data reset, and then scroll down to the end, and here again click on this reset option. So when you will click on this reset option here, it will delete everything from your mobile and it will reset your phone back to factory default. So after all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.